Just imagine, a patient takes a life-saving drug you have manufactured, trusting it's safe and effective. But what if one unnoticed trend in your quality review leads to a product failure? This isn't just a hypothetical situation, it's a reality companies face every day. Welcome to Pharma Health Insights. Today, we will be decoding the Annual Product Quality Review, or APQR, the backbone of pharmaceutical quality and compliance. I am Rajesh. Stay with me as we explore its significance, components, execution, and how it can safeguard your products and your reputation. Let's start with the basics. What is APQR? APQR is a systematic evaluation of all batches of a product manufactured over the past year. It's your product's annual health checkup, ensuring quality, safety, and efficacy. Here's why it matters: patient safety. Each APQR identifies risks, trends, or deviations before they become major issues. For example, unnoticed variations in tablet dissolution rates can directly impact patient outcomes. Regulatory compliance. Regulators like the FDA, EMA, and WHO mandate APQR. It's not optional, it's your license to operate. Continuous improvement. APQR provides data-driven insights to enhance processes, reduce deviations, and improve efficiency. To build a robust APQR, focus on these 5 pillars. 1. Batch records. 2. Specifications compliance. 3. Deviations and complaints. 4. Stability studies. And 5. Change control. Let's dive into each with examples. Batch records review. Every batch tells a story. Reviewing records helps identify trends, like lower yields or unexpected deviations. Example, a company noticed a consistent drop in tablet hardness in certain batches. By reviewing batch records, they traced the issue to a worn-out compression roller and fixed it before it escalated. Specifications compliance. All raw materials, intermediates, and finished products must meet their pre-approved specifications. Example, for a liquid oral, APQR revealed slight pH variations due to inconsistent raw material quality. The supplier was changed to ensure uniformity. Deviations, complaints, and CAPA. Track deviations, complaints, and CAPAs to ensure recurring issues are resolved. Example, a series of packaging complaints in tropical regions were traced to improper sealing adhesives. APQR identified the trend, and a new adhesive resolved the issue. Stability studies. Ensure the product maintains its quality throughout its shelf life by reviewing stability data. Example, an APQR revealed a flavoring agent degrading faster in pediatric syrups stored at high temperatures. The formulation was revised to improve stability. Change control review. Document and evaluate changes in materials, processes, or equipment to ensure they don't compromise quality. Example, switching to a new tablet coating machine improved efficiency but initially caused color inconsistencies. APQR highlighted the issue and corrective measures were taken. Here's how to conduct a thorough APQR in 5 steps. Point 1. Data collection. Gather batch records, stability data, deviations, complaints, CAPAs, and change control summaries. Point 2. Trend analysis. Identify patterns using tools like control charts and statistical software. 3. Risk assessment. Evaluate the impact of deviations, trends, and changes. Point 4. Documentation. Compile findings into a GMP-compliant report with graphs, tables, and action plans. Point 5. Management review and approval. Present the report to senior management for feedback and decision-making. Regulators expect your APQR to be comprehensive and actionable. Here's what they look for. FDA, evaluation of trends to ensure continued product quality. EMA, a mandatory tool for quality systems. ICHQ-10, integration into the pharmaceutical quality system. Common mistakes you should avoid: incomplete data, lack of trend analysis, failure to act on findings. APQR isn't just a regulatory requirement, it's a tool to drive quality, protect patients, and build trust in your brand. If this video helped clarify APQR for you, hit the like button, share it with your team, and subscribe to Pharma Health Insights for more practical, pharma-focused content. Have questions or tips? Drop them in the comments. And remember, quality isn't just a requirement, it's your responsibility. Stay informed and inspired.